Welcome to Nuts for Halloween, October's edition of Gabrielle Wicha's Happy Hour Kit. Today we're going to be doing the poisoned apple cocktail. And clearly I'm nuts for Halloween. I love it. I want to celebrate this all month long. So first we need to rim the glass. We'll take our martini glass, or whatever glass that you may have. We're going to take our beautiful green rim. You can see it. And we're going to take our lime, half a lime. We're going to take our martini glass, and we're just going to go into the lime. And once it's nice and wet, we're just going to put it in to our sugar rim. You don't need a huge rim. Beautiful. Now that the glass is nicely rimmed, we're just going to put it aside. We're going to be using a cocktail shaker. If you guys do not have a cocktail shaker, you can use anything that's sealable. Even the mason jars that I gave you, you guys can just seal it up on the top, shake it, and as long as you have a way of straining it, you know, it totally works. I'm going to show you how to use a shaker. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in ice, and we're going to put in ice right up to about there. And we're going to take our shaker with ice. We're going to take our beautiful shimmery green simple syrup here. Just going to give it a little shake because you want to make sure that all of that sparkle and everything's distributed. We're going to put in about 2 ounces. Next, we're going to take our vodka. We're going to put in 1.5 ounces, 1.25 ounces about, to your personal taste. Next, we're going to take the lime, and we're going to squeeze it directly into the drink. If you have one of these, awesome. If you don't, you can, there's lots of ways to squeeze a lime. Now we're going to use our technique. I'm going to take the top, I'm going to put it over the glass, and the bottom, and we're going to lock it just by tapping. And it's locked. You don't want to whack it too hard. You don't want it to click so hard that it'll be hard to get off it afterward. Now we're going to shake it. And we're going to do it this way. Or if you have a different way of shaking it, you can, but this is a good way of doing it. Hand here, and we're just going to shake back and forth. We're looking for the glass to frost up on the bottom. You can see that with a shaker. Now to unlock it, we're going to make sure that it's promptly on the table or a flat surface. We're going to put our hands on the side. We're going to put our thumbs up against the edge like that, and we're just going to push. And it comes right up. And we're going to strain. Look at that gorgeous cocktail. We're not even done yet. So this cocktail is gorgeous and beautiful. It's got a beautiful green rim. It's green, swirly, it's sparkly. And last but not least, Poprocks. Let's make it go pop. Who said you can't have fun with Halloween, right? And here we go. Sprinkle a couple in. You can almost hear right away. You hear that? And that is the poison apple, guys. Cheers. Enjoy this delicious, naturally sour, beautiful, mesmerizing drink. Happy Halloween, guys. It's delicious. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my website. Subscribe to my website, and you'll be the first to know about all the new updates, all the new kits, all the things that are going on. Love you guys. Happy Halloween. Listen to that cat. For my other cocktails, they'll be above.